Hi, this is my Nursing 406 Module 3 blog post. Um, this week we completed the Leadership Skills Questionnaire and also researched an article and the organizational model used in our organization. And after completing the Leadership Skills Questionnaire, I determined that I possess more conceptual leadership skills. I am not surprised by these findings because in my work and in general, I analyze situations, think of all the contributing factors, and I develop a plan and predict possible outcomes. I could also see myself being more of a coordinating leader because I um, encourage and value working with other disciplines to achieve a better outcome. I could use the skills to secure resources such as staff by analyzing census data, patient acuity, or inpatient acuity to predict appropriate staffing matrix. I could also use the article I found based on transdisciplinary teams to research what members of the interdisciplinary care team are important to include in patient care. My skills could help in coordinating rounding and participation of other disciplines as well. Um, Also, doing this would allow for more resources and well-rounded care. After learning more about my leadership skills and organizational structure, I have determined that while functioning as a nursing manager on a unit, I would report to the Assistant Chief Nursing Officer, and the Assistant Chief Nursing Officer would report to the Chief Nursing Officer, who lastly would report to the President. When reviewing this model, it was very educational because it shows all of the management structures of the different departments within the hospital I work for. I find it very important to collaborate with all departments as a manager, and I would be working with other nursing units, surgical and outpatient units, rehab units, physicians, and with the lab. And after analyzing the organizational structure, I determined that my organization has a well defined vertical structure that is organized as a flowchart. This chart clearly separates the different departments and defines the leaders within each department. It also has defined roles of power from the top down. And I personally prefer this type of structure considering there is a well-defined chain of command. It seems as if the horizontal structure could have gray areas because it is less defined and duties aren't clearly defined with this structure. I also prefer the vertical structure because they seem as if it would support more effective communication between different departments. Prior to this assignment, I had a clear understanding of the nursing department's function within the organization, but I was unaware of the structure of other departments, and I now feel as if I have a better understanding of my organizational structure, and I feel this will help me better collaborate with other departments and know how to better allocate resources.